oil is one of the most commonly used, if not the most commonly used oil in many African homes, but very few people speak about what it can actually do for your hair. By now, it's no secret that there are very many simple natural ingredients that work wonders for hair growth, for length retention, for keeping the hair healthy, for sealing in moisture, and for properly conditioning the hair. And palm oil is one of those natural ingredients. Today, we're going to talk about palm oil, what it contains, how it can help your hair, and how to include it as part of your hair care routine. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Eve here, and if you're new on this channel, we talk about structured hair growth systems that make it easy for you to care for your hair without any stress, whether you're busy at home, whether you live in a different climate than you're used to. Wherever you are, you will find help for your hair growth journey on this channel. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll be notified whenever new videos go up. Let's get into today's video. You may have heard of palm oil before. If you're African, we are very familiar with what palm oil is. But if you're not African and you've never heard of palm oil comes from the fruit of the palm tree, and it has been used for centuries in many parts of Africa for cooking, for skincare, and for hair care. Now, there are two different types of palm oil. We have the red palm oil, which is the more popular one, and we have refined palm oil. For hair care, unrefined palm oil is the more common one that's used. This type of oil is rich in nutrients that support hair growth and hair health. Some key nutrients include vitamin A, vitamin E, antioxidants, and fatty acids. And these nutrients play a key role not only in keeping the hair healthy, but in maintaining a very healthy scalp, which supports the growth of the hair. One reason palm oil is so helpful for hair is because of its vitamin content. Vitamin E is known for supporting scalp health, and in majority of the hair products that we use today, if you look at the back of the products where the ingredients are listed, you will see vitamin E written there. Vitamin E is very, very beneficial for the hair. And before you even start trying to grow your hair, you have to make sure that your scalp is healthy. A healthy scalp is just the environment that your hair needs to grow well. Once your scalp is healthy, the strands that come out of the scalp will be healthy as well. A healthy scalp determines the size of your hair strands, how thick the hair strands are, whether you deal with inflammation, whether you deal with scalp issues, or whether your scalp and hair are moisturized and retain moisture well enough. Moisturized hair is less likely to break, and when hair breaks less, that means it's easier to retain length over time. Palm oil also helps with improving softness, adding shine to the hair, reducing dryness of the hair, and keeping the hair very well conditioned. However, it's very important to understand that hair growth and hair care is not just about applying oils. It's all about the entire routine that you use for your hair growth and making sure that it is healthy overall. Before I show you how to actually include palm oil into your routine, there is something very important that you need to take note of so that you don't use palm oil the wrong way. A common misconception in hair care is that oils alone can grow your hair. This is not entirely true. Oils are supposed to be used to seal in moisture into the hair, meaning after you've applied a liquid product or a water-based product such as a leave-in or even water itself, you are supposed to add a moisturizer to the hair before you now seal in that moisture with an oil. And personally, I don't recommend that you use palm oil on its own to seal in moisture into your hair because the oil can be very thick and it can weigh the hair down. It's also red, and so it stains, so you want to avoid staining anything. What you would do instead is to infuse palm oil into your other treatments. I love to use palm oil as a deep conditioning or pre-poo treatment because then I can mix it with other ingredients such as eggs, such as shea butter, such as aloe vera, such as even avocado and bananas. There was a time I used to do a mixture like that as a pre-poo, blend thoroughly to remove any particles, and then I apply it to my hair in sections and leave it for a few minutes, about 15 minutes, before I rinse off and go in to shampoo my hair and finish my wash day. When I tell you, that was one of the best times for my hair because my hair was thriving. And what made me even begin to use palm oil for my hair care is that I was a student, and so I didn't have a lot of money to go around buying different hair products, and hair products were so expensive back then. So I started to look for natural ingredients that I could use which would give me the same result as these hair products, and I settled on palm oil. As at the time I settled on palm oil, it was not so popular. There were not a lot of people that knew it could be used, but we already know anything that comes out of African soil, any ingredient, any natural herb, any natural plant, any natural product is not only beneficial for hair care but for skin care as well. And these things are modified into refined products, which is almost the same thing. The only difference is that impurities may be taken out of the raw ingredient. But when it comes to things like palm oil, I mean, it's palm oil, it's an oil, and it has already been treated, it has already been refined to a degree, it has already been extracted from the nut. So all you have to do is mix it with some other treatment and apply it to your hair. Oils don't magically grow hair. I've said that they are used to seal in moisture into the hair, but oils help support the hair by keeping it moisturized after locking in moisture, protecting the strands, and improving the condition of the scalp. The real key to growing longer hair is length retention. Plain and simple. I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use palm oil to support healthy hair growth. The first is by doing a scalp massage with palm oil. Just as you use other carrier oils for your scalp massages, you can also use palm oil to massage your scalp. You will simply transfer it to an applicator bottle, let it sit in hot water for a few minutes, just as you would do your hot oil treatment. Then when it's hot enough, you apply that directly to your scalp. Massage in circular motions for about 5 minutes. Take your time, massage it properly, and when you're done, go ahead and rinse or wash that out. The best time to do this is right before you wash your hair. The second way to use palm oil is as a sealant. Remember, I also said that palm oil stains, so I never advise that you use palm oil on its own. Instead, mix it with other oils that would dilute the color. Oils like amla oil, olive oil, coconut oil. And when you add palm oil to these other oils, try not to add too much of the palm oil still to reduce the color. Let's say you use about 50 grams of a carrier oil like olive oil and you want to add in palm oil there. You can add about 10 to 20 grams of palm oil. This is just a rough estimate. So always make sure that your other carrier oils are more in quantity, and then you add in about 20% palm oil to that mixture. Sealing with this mixture is going to prevent dryness and it will keep the moisture sealed in the hair for a longer period of time. And the third is that you're going to use the palm oil as a pre-shampoo treatment or a pre-poo. So you can combine it with other ingredients like I mentioned earlier, or you can use it on its own. In this case, you won't need to add it into hot water to make it a hot oil treatment. You can just apply the palm oil to your hair and your scalp. One thing I love about palm oil is that it makes detangling so easy. So when you apply it to your hair and your scalp this way, massage it into your scalp and then separate your hair strands before you go into wash. Let that sit in the hair for about 15 minutes. You can also cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap for that extra heat, and then go in and finish off your wash day. Now, while palm oil can be very beneficial, remember moderation is also important. Using too much will lead to buildup on the scalp because palm oil is more on the thick side. So if you're using palm oil regularly, you want to make sure you clean your scalp thoroughly. Avoid overuse. If you wash your hair about 4 times a month, you can use palm oil on 1 or 2 of those times, and this way you'll maintain a balanced hair and scalp routine. All in all, palm oil is not just a simple ingredient that has been used for cooking for generations before us, but it has also been used in hair and skincare, and it contains so many amazing nutrients that work incredibly well for healthy hair care and hair growth. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.